In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Fidelity Active Trader Pro. This is Fidelity's advanced desktop trading platform. It offers robust tools for charts, trading, and market analysis. Keep in mind you need to install it on a Windows or Mac computer. It's not available for mobile devices. Let's start by heading to the official download page. Open your web browser and enter the following URL: www.fidelity.com/ATP. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the download page specifically designed for Active Trader Pro. This is the gateway to accessing all the powerful features that Fidelity offers for active trading. Now look for the option that says Download Active Trader Pro. You'll need to choose the correct version for your device. If you're using a Windows computer, select the Windows 64-bit version. For those on a Mac, you'll want to select the Mac OS version. This choice ensures you're downloading the compatible software for your operating system, which is crucial for smooth installation and performance. Once you've made your selection, the download process will begin. After the download completes, you'll need to install the program. If you're on a Windows computer, locate the downloaded file, which will have an .exe extension. Open this file and then follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. For Mac users, you'll open .dmg file you downloaded. Drag the application to your Applications folder to install it. The installation process typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief wait is worth it as it ensures all components are correctly set up for flawless operation. At this point, you're ready to launch the program. Once installed, locate Active Trader Pro on your desktop or Launchpad. Open the application and you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Fidelity.com username and password to gain access. This step is vital as it links your trading platform to your brokerage account, allowing you to make transactions directly. It's important to note that you must have a Fidelity brokerage account to use Active Trader Pro. Some users, especially those who trade frequently, might need to request access to the platform. This is because Fidelity often grants access to active traders who can benefit from its advanced features. If you encounter a platform called Trader Plus instead, don't worry. This is Fidelity's newer offering, but you can still reinstall Active Trader Pro if it's supported on your account. With Active Trader Pro, you're equipped with a sophisticated tool that can enhance your trading capabilities. It's designed to offer a seamless experience, providing you with the necessary tools to make informed trading decisions. Remember, accessing and installing the right software version is the first step to future trading success. And now you're all set to dive into the world of advanced trading with Fidelity. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're excited to start using Active Trader Pro. Keep an eye out for more tutorials and tips to help you navigate your trading journey. Happy trading!